Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this girl. This is Ophelia by Outre, and I'm excited to jump into my studio and tell you guys all about her. And here we are in my studio, and we have Ophelia. I have her in the color 2T30. Now, Ophelia is an Outre unit, and she's part of the Daily Wig collection, and she does have a salon blowout texture. And she's got this high-tech, what is that? High-tech heat-safe fibers, the premium synthetic fibers. Anyway, they are heat-safe up to 400 degrees. She does also have a, what does it say here, a hand-tied lace part. And originally, she comes with a pre-attached elastic band, but I have a really big head, so it was a little bit tight, and it was causing my head to like throb. I mean, it was terrible. So anyway, I cut that out. So when I show you the inside of her cap, she won't have that. All right. Anyway, what else is there about this girl? Oh, I got her from Amazon. I will put a link if she's on Amazon or somewhere else where I can find her in the comment section below. But I'm not really affiliated with anybody, and I just buy these wigs with my own money. I do have psoriasis, and that's why I shave my head, and I just like to wear these wigs for fun. This is something that I do that is just for me to feel pretty when I want to feel pretty. Otherwise, I don't mind being bald. So anyway, there you go. That is Ophelia. Let's get to showing her to you. Okay, here she is, right here. All right. So this is that 2T30, which means that we've got all kinds of little individual strands, if you can see that, all the way down. So there's a lot of depth in this hair. It gives it a lot of depth. Very, very beautiful, beautiful color. Anyway, I'm so impressed with this color. It's so pretty. On the inside of the cap, let's move on. We do have two combs, one on the front right and one on the front left. We also have comb, well, you can see the tag, comb in the back, and these adjustable like bra strap things. Again, I usually just put mine on the widest setting because I have a 22.5-inch head, and it's like really it's not going anywhere on my head, really. I've never had a wig fly off. I mean, I shouldn't say that, knock on wood. Anyway, so anyhow, I usually just wear her like this right on top of my head. It's just with my psoriasis, it just feels the best. Okay, so let's get her up here. All right. Ooh, what'd I do? Hey, I got her on pretty good. All right, so she does have an eye part, which means that she can go smack dab in the center of your head. And she lays really, really flat. Okay. So there she is. And then you can see that parting space. Well, I mean, that's pretty good. I didn't even have to do anything hardly to this wig. I think I plucked her a little bit when I initially got her. She's shiftable. It says on the stock card that it shows a right side part. I tried her to the left, and she just doesn't fit me that well over there on the left-hand side. Let me show you. I mean, you know, I guess she does, but, you know, this is how all wigs fit me. Again, because I do have a big giant head. So, that's not my favorite. So I actually like to wear Ophelia on the right. Let me get her in place for you, so you can see her in all her beautiful glory. There she goes. All right, now, again, like I said, I do have all of this side shaved. If you have a leave out and you have a little bit larger head, she is probably going to work slightly better for you if you have some ability to have some leave out. I do not have that ability. I am shaved bald. So what I like to do instead is just get her lined up. Tuck that back. Pull this side forward and down. There we go. Then I like to take this side and just tuck it behind my ear. Like that. I don't wear a whole lot of jewelry. I mean, I have some allergies, so anyway, so you won't find a whole lot of earrings and stuff on me at these reviews. I save that for when I'm performing. Anyway, so there she is. Ophelia. Let me get a little powder in her part right here. And I'm just using it's this e.l.f. cosmetic that I had for a long time. There's really not much more to do with her. She just kind of blends in like that. She is beginner friendly. She's awesome. Okay, so while I'm showing you this girl, I will tell you that I did wear her for a couple. I belonged to like a singing group, and I wore her during 6 performances, you guys. She did so amazing. Her cons, well, she did come with, like I said, that strap that's, you know, I wasn't exactly fond of that strap because it it cut off my circulation, my brain. Anyway, here she is to the back. Other than that, I think she's a great wig. Do I recommend her? Yes, I do. I got way more money's worth out of her than I paid for her. I'll put a link down there, wherever I can find her. If you need a daily wear wig, you can't go wrong with Ophelia. All right? If there's another wig that you would like me to review, please leave a comment down below and tell me which one it is. Also, if you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you're alerted the next time I upload a video. I'll see you later. Bye!